Hi everyone, welcome to Joy's Knowledge. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Press bell icon for future notifications. In this video, we are going to see an interesting topic, task analysis for children with special needs. Why task analysis? Children with special needs have limited capacity to learn, retain, and recall the learned skills. The tasks like eating, dressing, or bathing, which non disabled children learn to do try themselves after a certain age, or to be taught to children with special needs. In this condition, task analysis is used and it is very helpful. What is task analysis? Children with special needs are unable to learn the task as a whole, but when presented the task in simple steps, they are able to make better progress. The process of identifying these small steps is known as task analysis. Task analysis is the analysis of a task into simple steps and arranging them in a sequential order. McCarthy states that it is a teaching strategy in which the task is broken down into teachable components and arranged in a sequential order. Now we'll go for an example for task analysis. We can take brushing your teeth. When you think about it, brushing is really a bunch of distinct simple behaviors performed one after another. Just analyze the task. First step is pick the toothbrush from the holder. Then open the water tap, wet the brush, close the tap, pick the toothpaste from the holder, take the cap of the tube, put paste on the brush, close cap of the tube and replace in its place, put toothbrush in the mouth, brush teeth, spit out toothpaste in a sink, open the tap, rinse the brush, replace the brush in the holder, grasp the cup, fill cup with water, close the tap, rinse mouth and teeth with water, clean the face with water, replace cup in the holder, take towel from the clothesline, wipe the face with towel, spread the towel back on the clothesline. What are the methods of task analysis? The process of breaking a complex behavior down into its component parts takes a little practice, but soon you'll be able to construct behavior chains for the easier to analyze the motor skills, followed by the more difficult to delineate academic and social behaviors. There are a number of ways. The first one is imagination. You might just imagine the desired behavior and write down the possible steps. And the next one, trial and error method. You might engage in that behavior, noting the sub behaviors that lead to the final product. The third one is a brainstorming. You could brainstorm with another teacher or aid with a group. Consulting experts. Consult with a more experienced colleague who has probably taught the behavior before. And then the referring books and the resource materials. You can find one of the many texts that have task analyzed lots of common behaviors. Backward chaining. Now, trying the task from the last step to the initial step. For example, buttoning the shirt. Watch a master. You can watch a person who is an expert in the field and follow. What is chaining? The process of teaching the links in the chain is called chaining. The act of chaining can be accomplished in one of three ways. Teaching the behavior in the beginning of the chain, requiring the children to display increasing the amounts of simple behavior initially. As a continuation, a new simple behavior will be added into tail end of behavior already mastered. As the learner links more and more of a chain, you have to complete the fewer of the steps at the end of the chain of behavior. Learning the behavior from the front end is called forward chaining. Trying the task from the last step to the initial steps is called backward chaining. Teaching the links in the behavior chain is through the process of total chaining, in which the student performs all of the behavior in the chain during every attempt. Thus, task analysis is an effective process which is used to identify and teach the steps which are necessary for individual special needs children to become more independent. Thank you.